Welcome to Beautiful Home Design Ideas. Imagine stepping into a bedroom that feels like a serene escape, a space where soft, earthy sage green meets the warm, creamy hues of a peaceful retreat. A place that instantly soothes your senses and welcomes you with open arms after a long day. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, today we're diving into the stunning combination of sage green and cream, a color palette that exudes sophistication, coziness, and timeless beauty. Whether you're looking for a full bedroom makeover or just a few simple changes, I've got 5 breathtaking ideas to help you bring this gorgeous color scheme to life. Stick around for some serious inspiration, and don't forget to share your favorite ideas in the comments. One of the most transformative ways to embrace this color palette is by painting your walls in a soft, muted sage green. This instantly sets a calming atmosphere, creating a space that feels both fresh and cozy. To balance this rich yet subtle shade, introduce cream accents through furniture, bedding, or wall moldings. A cream-colored upholstered headboard, elegant ivory curtains, or even a light beige area rug will enhance the softness of the sage without overpowering it. For an added layer of depth, incorporate brass or gold accents, such as bedside lamps or picture frames, to bring a touch of elegance. A sage green and cream bedroom thrives on texture, so layering different fabrics will make your space feel inviting and luxurious. Start with cream or off-white linen bedding for an effortlessly chic look, then add sage green throw pillows or a chunky knit blanket to create contrast. Consider incorporating materials like velvet, cotton, or wool to add variety and warmth. A soft sage green quilted bedspread can add a sophisticated touch, while sheer cream curtains allow natural light to filter in, maintaining that airy, fresh feel. To give your bedroom an organic, rustic feel, bring in natural wood tones through furniture or decor. A distressed wooden bed frame, vintage nightstands, or a raw wood dresser complements both sage and cream beautifully, grounding the color palette with a touch of nature. Incorporating woven baskets, dried floral arrangements, and ceramic vases in muted tones adds charm and texture. You can also introduce greenery through potted plants like eucalyptus, olive trees, or sage itself, reinforcing the fresh, nature-inspired theme. If you're loving these ideas so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Would you go for this color scheme in your bedroom? Let me know. For those who love a mix of old and new, sage green and cream work beautifully in a vintage modern blend. Try pairing a vintage-style cream bed frame with sleek, modern sage green nightstands for a striking contrast. Or opt for an antique-style vanity with sage green detailing to tie in the palette. Adding classic patterns, like delicate floral wallpaper in sage and cream or an antique-style area rug, can enhance the nostalgic charm. Meanwhile, modern elements like minimalist pendant lights, sculptural decor, or abstract art keep the look fresh and sophisticated. Finally, it's all in the details. Small, carefully chosen accent pieces can make a big impact. Consider a sage green accent chair, a cream throw blanket draped over the foot of the bed, or elegant sage ceramic table lamps on your nightstands. Wall art featuring botanical prints in soft greens and neutrals can add subtle beauty to the space. For a touch of drama, try a sage green accent wall with panel molding, or keep it simple with cream bedding and sage green trim on the drapes. The key is to strike a balance, not too matchy, not too busy, just effortlessly elegant. And there you have it, 5 gorgeous ways to create a dreamy sage green and cream bedroom. This color palette is truly timeless, offering a blend of tranquility, elegance, and warmth that feels like a breath of fresh air. So, which idea was your favorite? Are you planning to incorporate sage and cream into your bedroom? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more home decor inspiration. And if you want more color palette ideas or styling tips, check out my other videos. There's plenty more where this came from. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Happy decorating!